everyone. My name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Today we are recreating a sandwich I fell in love with. It's my Cajun Chicken Jalapeño Slammer. So, have you got all your things ready to go? I have mine. And like I always say, let's get cooking. What I'm going to do is I have a Ziploc bag. There we go. The bag contains all the mess and it makes it really easy to flip it over. It is prepared with a piece of parchment paper. We're just going to fill it up with chicken. We are going to take some olive oil. Then we are going to bake these at 450 degrees for about 18 minutes. Our chicken has cooled and I've shredded it, and we are ready to mix it up with our Cajun barbecue sauce. Depending on how hot you want it, depends on the amount of jalapenos you put in here. I have 1 jalapeno. Actually, the jalapeno was about that big. So it was actually a lot of jalapeno. If you wanted, you could put this in a crock pot after this point and just turn your crock pot on warm and have hot chicken dip for sandwiches, crackers. We are eating ours on those yummy rolls I got and making slammers. Okay, I think I have it all coated. Okay, let me grab a roll. Trick I always do is I pull out some of the bread from the inside just to make room for more filling. Now I have purple onions. If you don't like onions, you don't have to put them on there. I also put dill chips on mine. And that is Cajun Barbecue Slammer. If you enjoyed our video and you liked it, please subscribe. It's free. And we'll see you next time here at the Happiest Cook. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye! You want to taste a piece?